In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for managing tasks and projects, and adding a chat feature can enhance communication within your team. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website and look for the login button. It's typically in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with different login options. For ease and speed, you might want to log in using your Google account, especially if that's what you usually use for your other work tools. Select the Google option and choose the account associated with your Trello workspace. Now that you're in Trello, you need to activate the chat feature through what's called a power up. Navigate to the board you want to add this feature to. On your board's top menu, you'll find an option called Power Ups. Click on that. This will take you to a section where you can add various functionalities to your Trello board that aren't included by default. Next, click on Add Power Ups. This action brings up a menu where you can browse and select additional features. In the search bar that appears, type in Chat. This helps you quickly locate the power-up needed for chatting. Locate Board Chat Tiny Power-Ups Club from the list that appears and click on it. This power-up specifically allows you to integrate chatting capabilities directly into your Trello board. Upon selecting it, you'll see an Add button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll need to confirm this action once more by clicking Add again when prompted. After adding the power-up, simply close the dialog box that appears to return to your Trello board. You'll now notice a chat option somewhere within your board's interface. Click on Chat to start setting it up further. Before you can start chatting, you need to authorize the board chat power-up. This process ensures that your Trello account can safely connect to this additional functionality. Click on Authorize Board Chat when prompted. After that, the platform will ask you to allow the integration by clicking Allow. This grants the necessary permissions for the chat feature to function correctly with your board. Once authorization is complete, you're all set to start chatting with your team. Click on the chat option and you'll be directed to a chat window within your board. You can now easily communicate with team members directly in Trello, making it simpler to collaborate on tasks and keep everyone in the loop. And there you have it. You've successfully added a chat feature to your Trello board. This feature is perfect for team collaboration and ensuring communication stays connected to the tasks at hand. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.